In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to Mailchimp. So first log in to your Mailchimp dashboard. Then next at the top right, click on your profile icon. Then click on account and billing. Now once inside, click on domains. Then next scroll down to website domains and click on connect a domain. So as you can see, this feature, which is connecting your domain, actually is a paid plan feature, so you'll need to pay for $10 for you to be able to connect your domain. So from here, all you have to do then is enter in your website domain and MailChimp will send a verification email to confirm ownership. All you have to do is open it up and click the verification link. And from there, just follow all the on-screen prompts such as authenticating your domain and confirming connection. And once the DNS updates propagate, MailChimp confirms your domain is now connected. Now your campaigns and landing pages will show your website domain instead of a generic MailChimp link. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!